Okay, guys, let's think about yesterday for a moment. And something that I told you yesterday, this whole section is called subtracting integers. But again, I want you to remember, we don't do that anymore. We don't do subtracting integers. We just don't have it. There's only adding. You add positive numbers or negative numbers. You're just adding stuff. There's no more subtraction, okay? Now, let's just remind ourselves of a couple of definitions. The opposite means the number on the other side of 0 with the same absolute value. But it's easy for us to remember. Opposite of 3 is negative 3. Opposite of 15 is negative 15. Opposite of negative 20 is 20. Okay? It's very easy for us to remember, but the definition is there are two numbers with the same absolute value. They are opposites of each other. That's what opposite means. Guys, another one here. This is something we need to know. The word difference means subtract. Okay, so that will help us in setting up a problem. The word difference means a subtraction problem. Okay, but I don't want us to think about subtraction anymore. Okay, let's talk through these first few things here in the examples. All right, Milan, how many numbers do I have in A? How many numbers are there? There are two numbers. What are the two numbers? 4 and no, negative 10. 4 and negative 10. When I put them together, when I add them together, 4 plus negative 10, what do I get, Nicholas? Negative 6. Beautiful. Problem solved. Now this one, B, requires a little alteration before we get going. Rex, what's the first thing that I need to do? I've got two negatives right next to each other, right? And we know that that means that these things are pluses now. 7 plus positive 5. Well, I don't even need to write it like that. It's just 7 plus 5. When I add two positives, what do I get? We'll see. No. No. I am wasting time on YouTube right now. Do you know why? Good. I'm sorry, we'll see. When I add 7 and 5, what do I get? It is a positive. What is it? 12. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Whoa. Thank you. Smartboard, get it together. I guess the smartboard, sometimes it has days too. But it seems like every day it's like that. It always does that little thing. It can't catch up with me. And God knows I'm not that fast. I'm old, as Henry would like to point out. All right? Okay, Dane, let's look at this C right here. There's a little bit of alteration that we need on C. What is it? I've got double negatives, and we know that that makes them positive. Great job. All right, so I'm going to rewrite negative 2 plus 9. How many numbers do I have, Ross? 2. What are they? Negative 2 and positive 9. When I add them together, what do I get, Kintara? 7, and I'm done. All right? Problem simplified. Thank you, guys. Next example.